Have you ever wondered if you can eat dessert for breakfast and still achieve your health goals? Well, in my opinion, the big old answer is a yes. You can, in fact, enjoy your favorite chocolate flavors in this healthy, metabolic, and low-carb chocolate almond butter smoothie bowl. This recipe is going to be really high in protein as well as healthy fats, making it an absolutely perfect way to start your day. Today, I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite breakfast choices in just under 5 minutes. And there you have it, a rich and creamy, chocolate-filled, healthy smoothie bowl. You can enjoy it for breakfast, a snack, or honestly any time of day because it's awesome for your health. If you enjoyed this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and also make sure that you subscribe to the Metabolic Living YouTube channel simply by hitting the subscribe button. Also make sure you pop on over to social media and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. We are over at Metabolic Living and we post new content all the time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, guys, and whipping up this absolutely delicious smoothie bowl. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all very, very soon in the next video.